Welcome to Simmons Pinckney Middle School January 2018 newsletter. Principal's message. Dear parents, happy 2018. We welcome your students back to school after a hopefully relaxing winter break and much snow fun during our days off from school due to inclement weather. We appreciate your paying attention to the news, social media, and CCSD callouts for weather-related school updates. Our second semester course schedule changes are underway. Please encourage your students in this new schedule and stress the importance of adapting to change and new routines. We are preparing for winter map testing to begin later in January, and it is now underway. We are also preparing for state testing, so I urge parents to ensure your students are getting enough sleep and exercise to help their brains function at their best. Please speak to your child about practicing math and ELA skills on one of our digital platforms daily. All students have their passwords to digital content that can be accessed from home. It is important that we partner with you to ensure academic success for every student and that you assist us with creating a disruptive-free learning environment. All the best, Nathan L. Nelson. Personnel. We welcome several new faculty members to Simmons Pinckney Middle School. Ms. Erin Caldwell is our new Spanish teacher. Ms. Cynthia Crowley is our 7th grade math teacher. Ms. Lindsay Huggins is our new visual arts teacher. Ms. Clavaire Williams is our new drama teacher. Brandon Freeman is our boys basketball coach. Be sure to check social media and our school website for basketball schedule details coming soon. Please join our PTO so that you can be actively involved in assisting our teachers, students, and community. The January PTO meeting was held on January 10th at 5:30 at Simmons Pinckney Middle School. Coming up in February, parents and students can send Valentine candygrams to students between February 5th and 13th for Valentine's Day delivery. The cost is 50 cents per message, and you may see Ms. Hurst or Ms. Philbeck in the Media Center for purchasing. Volunteers are always needed here at our school. Parents and community members are encouraged to volunteer every Wednesday from 8 to 11 a.m. Please make plans to join us. Ms. Philbeck can always use assistance in the Media Center, shelving books and interacting with students, as well as you may like to do something with your own students in their classrooms. Additionally, please help us obtain or donate jump ropes, basketballs, hula hoops, and any other sports items that students would enjoy using during their recess. We value parent communication. Please notify homeroom teachers and Mrs. Hurst, our data clerk, of any new addresses, phone numbers, or contact information changes. Student agendas need to be signed on Thursdays, and binder checks are on Fridays. Many teachers give class grades for binder checks, so please be sure that you are signing your student's agenda on Thursday nights. Parent communication during middle school is crucial, and we would like to partner with you in making sure our students have a great experience while attending Simmons Pinckney Middle. Practice at home is invaluable. Continuation of the iReady goals in math and ELA is critical. Please urge your students to log in to iReady at home to provide more practice to increase their time spent learning with the goal of greater academic achievement and higher test scores. Simmons Pinckney Middle School will have a quiz bowl. We are forming a 4 to 10 member team of students to compete against other middle schools such as Lang, Buste, and Moultrie and Cario in this exciting extracurricular activity. Quiz Bowl involves student teams answering trivia questions on a variety of topics with the use of a buzzer system. Students sign up with Mr. Graham, 7th grade social studies teacher. Quiz Bowl meets in January are scheduled for January 18th, 23rd, and 29th. Usually they are held at 5 p.m. with each participating middle school hosting a meet throughout the season. African American History Competition. The Mu Alpha chapter of Omega Psi Phi fraternity will host a Black History competition, Black History Bowl, on February 17th for the elementary and middle school division at the Citadel. Students should sign up with their social studies teachers. Reading partnerships are underway. We have the Phyllis Wheatley Literary and Social Club, partnering with our 21st Century After School program to host an after-school book club for the next 6 weeks. They will read The Story of Amistad. A boys' book club will begin soon. More details will be forthcoming in the newsletter and on the website. The boys will read The Other Wes Moore by Wes Moore. Map testing incentives. We want our students to want to achieve higher scores. Map testing dates are the week of 116. We will work on language map tests. The week of 122, we will work on math map tests. The week of 129, we will work on reading map tests. High scores equal rewards. So if students achieve their goals, they receive positive rewards. Gain 1 point on your map score, and a student gets candy prizes. Meet a map goal. A student gets the option of dress-down passes or small prizes and raffles. The student with the largest gain for each grade level will receive lunch treats of the student's choice. Our guidance department, headed up by Ms. Breedenkamp, is scheduling 8th grade students' IGP meetings. An IGP meeting is a student and school document that each student and his or her parent, guardian, and guidance counselor create to help the student focus on his or her interest, abilities, and career goals. A parent or parental designee is required to attend the IGP conference. Please call or email Ms. Breedenkamp to set up your student's 30 to 45-minute meeting here at Simmons Pinckney Middle School. Katie_Breedenkamp at charleston.k12.sc.us or call 843-724-7789 and ask for Ms. Breedenkamp or the guidance counselor. Please follow our school on social media. We have a presence on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and our school website is simmonspinckney.ccsdschools.com. If you have any school-related photos that you take, please tag us with #PantherPride or #SPMS Student Success. In our Media Center this month, we are having STEM infusion with the Charleston County School District's Tinker Tub. We introduce students to Google Cardboard virtual reality glasses. Please ask your student to engage in this fun activity. There are important dates for January and February. Again, we are map testing the week of the 16th for language, the week of the 22nd for math, the week of the 29th for reading. In February, you may purchase the Candygrams on sale between the 5th and the 13th. Progress reports will go home on the 6th of February. The Valentine Grams will be delivered to students on the 14th. And on President's Day weekend, the school is open as hurricane makeup days. So on the previous calendar, Friday and Monday were not school days. They are now makeup days. So students will attend school on Friday, February 16th and Monday, February 19th. And don't forget, the Black History Quiz Bowl is on the 19th at the Citadel. Thank you for watching our January newsletter. We value your support at Simmons Pinckney Middle School. #PantherPride, #SPMS Student Success.